So the original plan was that this would insert into the socket and be in there just enough to put an extension and a 3/8 swivel. But unfortunately that did not fit. So we've got the piece we cut off. Let's get a measurement on the length of that, because it's actually going to work out perfectly. I'd say that's about 1 1/16", 1 1/8". So now I'm going to take this, slide it down over there. I already checked, this piece does fit up in the truck. So now I cut the tit off of this fella here, and it's going to get put in here like so. That's what we came up with. I welded inside there too, and it's a little bit rough in there, but I was only welding at 35 amps with the old Everlasting 6010 mode. And this should work. I'm gonna go test fit it right now, but just to show you, sensor fits right in there. It's a little bit snug because of the weld I put in there, but I really wanted to make sure this was gonna work. Sacrificing tools is sometimes well worth the trouble, because I guess Chevy wants you to take the intake manifold off, so screw that. Let's see how this does. Alright, you can't just hardly see it down there, but the sensor is indeed down there. You can hardly see it there, but anyway, this thing goes in. It's not that hard to get it lined up on the top. Flops right on, and I checked, it goes on whichever angle you want, which means there's plenty of clearance to get it off, and it spins on the top stud even. You can tell it's gonna work. But anyway, that'll work. Make it happen.